Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am headed into Target and I'm taking you with me. Let's go shopping. So Target Dollar Spot has begun to roll out their fall items, and we're going to look through as many as we can find here today. They have a lot of pumpkins and a lot of different finishes and quite a few farmhouse feeling items. Let's start here first with these felted pumpkins for $3. These are a medium-sized pumpkin in a few different shapes. I found them in bright orange, gray, black, and navy for just $3 a piece. The felted pumpkins also come in a smaller size for just $1. A few new colors here, of course, the black, gray, and navy, but this one I also found in mustard, the bright orange, as well as this really beautiful turquoise, and they're all just $1. Before we get into even more pumpkins, I'll show you guys a few signs. This guide to apples framed out in wood is super cute for $3, as well as this version in lots of grays and oranges. Apples are definitely a theme this year. They've got two hanging signs that are planked. This version with a little more color for $3, and this one that's definitely more farmhouse. And speaking of farmhouse, they did a great job with these standing $3 signs. This one in hot cocoa is actually a dark teal. They have the apples on white and caramel apples on wood. This is the only version with a framed out edge, but they're all just $3. On to some planked pumpkins. This year I found 3 versions of the tall pumpkin. I'm sure we'll see more soon. I believe this even comes in an apple. It does have a tooth hanger on the back of it, and these are quite tall. I would venture to say close to 16 inches, and they're all just $3. Now on to some more $3 signs. This planked wood circle with a jute hanger. I also found this wooden arrow, again for $3. A little bit darker wood tone on that one. They do have this oval, and all of these are for DIY projects. They're selling some stickers and different text to put on them. I love this one in white, framed out in the wood, and the square planked wood as well, all for $3. Now we'll get into some other ceramic items, starting with these beautiful pumpkins. I do love the colors they chose this year. They did a black, gray, turquoise, creamy white, and a burnt orange for $3 a piece. The black and gray are the same size and shape. The turquoise is more of a gourd. They do all have gold stems, which I do wish they were brown. And the trucks are back. So this year they brought the trucks from last year back with a little addition. This time they have pumpkins in the back of them. Now I think these are adorable, especially for $3 in the green, gray, and navy. The only thing is the paint job isn't perfect on all of the pumpkins. Speaking of pumpkins, they did bring back their $3 pair of appetizer plates this year in some pumpkins in that beautiful burnt orange, as well as a beautiful green. This one is almost forest green, and you get 2 for $3. Also for $3, they brought back the white ceramic houses. Now last year they did these houses in slightly different version. These have a glazed top and more of a matte bottom, so you can see there. They're also different shapes. I remember last year they came out with some larger ones after the small ones came out. We'll keep our eyes open for the larger $5 version. Something I was certain was going to be $5 is actually $3. These wooden crates, which are super cute on the smaller size, but still large enough for some display for fall, in white, this beautiful turquoise, and the wood for just $3 a piece. Now we'll get back into all of our pumpkins. So these are the more realistic pumpkins they have out that are big for Target Dollar Spot. $3 a piece. I found them in the white, speckled with a little bit of black. Same deal on the orange. It does have some speckles. They also have this beautiful, almost beigey pumpkin and a very bright green. They're also putting out a different version of the felted pumpkin, this one with some seams and a gold, almost rose gold stem. Now these are beautiful colors. I found it in a navy, a chartreuse, a beautiful turquoise, a really nice dark army green, and a blush color. I believe it also comes in orange. I also found a few fabric mini pumpkins for $1 in teal, that really nice dark green, the turquoise, and this is almost more of like a butternut color than chartreuse. Hopefully it also comes in orange. And now onto some dish towels. They have this super cute truck with Farm Fresh on it, and it's paired with a beautiful pumpkin print. They also have this one of kitchen conversion chart paired with a dark turquoise, and this one in a black and white buffalo check paired with Let's Bake Pie. They also have it in a dark gray Our Nest, and that one comes with a stripe. The Our Nest has a little bit of fringe there at the bottom, and this one with all kinds of text on it. Pumpkin spice, coffee, and tea paired with a plaid. Something new this year for $5 are these wooden calendars. So cute. They come with all of your dates and your months, again on the back in white. Really good size and so Farmhouse. And speaking of Farmhouse, they're also putting out for $5 this wall decor. This version in Eat, where you get all 3 letters to hang horizontally or vertically. They also put it out in Yum. And more wooden text. This one in Welcome for just $3. Such a steal. They also have it in Thankful. And more wood decor. These hanging memo pads that come in white and wood finish. Very, very Farmhouse for your kitchen. These are $5 a piece and do have a jute hanger. The wooden version comes with white paper, and as you can see, the white one with a natural color paper. They're just starting to put out some of their stickers, and these are all wood decals. So these are $3 a piece and great for DIYing some of the signs they're putting out. They have Trick or Treat in black glitter, Home Sweet Home in a really nice wood finish, and these stickers in the wooden pumpkins. It also comes in the leaf version with some red glittery apples. And now some garlands. They do have some foliage garlands for $5. This one in a beautiful bright orange maple leaf. There's a close-up in case you want to grab that DPCI code. They have this one, which is kind of a purple, definitely an eggplant color. They also have it in the lamb's ear. Pretty sparse on these. And of course in the boxwood. And last but not least, this one, which is my favorite. And now for some mini pumpkins. They're selling them in sets of 4 for $3. So far I found them in 3 color combos, teal and turquoise, and they've got a more peach and mint green, and of course the bright orange and black for Halloween. But first, on to more fall. They did put out these woven cornucopias in 3 sort of different color variations. The lighter, the one up top is a little bit more red, and this one's a little bit more brown, and they're just $3. I was surprised. I thought they'd be closer to $5. And something that is $5 are these hot beverage ceramic drink tumblers in 4 colors, sort of a muted gray beige, dark green, orange, and red. And for $3, they have some extra large mugs. Hello Autumn, Let's Huddle on a dark red, mom on navy, and football flannels and hoodies on gray. These are a good size mug for $3. And also for $3, they have a camping inspired version. These are also pretty large mugs. They come in the speckled camping look in green, light gray, darker gray, and white. Some more kitchen items. They do have this little set of spreaders for $3, some measuring cups in copper and white. They have this version in black and the measuring spoons, and everything here is $3, getting you ready for all your fall baking. Now for some candles. They have so many sets of candles here today. These are $5 with little cork toppers, and they come in 4 different scents. And also for $5 with cork toppers is this set, a little bit more fruity light scents, but definitely new. And they also have a cage style votive candle. These candles are smaller but do come in the decorative cage in a really light teal. They also have sort of a blush, a mustard, and brown. And to go with those camping mugs, they have these little candles in ceramic holders. These are smaller, but they're only $3 a piece and come in 4 different scents. And for the coffee lovers out there, they have these little guys for $3. Did not have a chance to give them all a smell, but their containers couldn't be any cuter. And our last candles are these in 3 different scents for $3. They have it in an orange, turquoise with pumpkin and spice, and hayrides and apple cider in red. They're also putting out some adorable props for photo booths. These are so adorable for just $3 a pack. There's no way you could make these for that. You could even use them in some DIY projects. They also have the backdrop itself for $3 in the wood, the blue flannel, and a whole bunch of pumpkins. Before I let you guys go today, I want to let you know I will be hosting a hidden giveaway based on things in this video. So make sure you are subscribed and that you leave a comment in the description down below. I want to know, out of the 3 colored trucks they put out this season, the green, gray, and navy, which is your favorite? Also, you can follow me over on Instagram and keep an eye open on my community tab for more details. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.